されるのが僕でよかった。
Want to edit photos like a pro without even touching a single tool? Nano Banana makes that possible, boosting image edit quality by 15%. The biggest jump ever seen in AI editing. It's super fast, incredibly smart, and works with nothing more than a simple text prompt. No layers, no complex software, just type what you want and watch the magic happen. And in this video, I'll show you 5 killer prompts that will blow your mind. So make sure you stay till the very end. What even is Nano Banana? Nano Banana may sound like a fruit, but it's actually one of the most advanced AI image editing tools released in 2025 by Google's DeepMind. Built on the Gemini 2.5 Flash model, it lets anyone edit images using simple text prompts. No layers, brushes, or technical skills needed. You can upload an image, describe what you want, and the AI instantly makes clean, accurate edits, whether that's changing outfits, adding objects, or merging multiple visuals into one. What sets Nano Banana apart is its speed and intelligence. It deeply understands both the content and context of images, applying edits with realistic lighting, shadows, and environmental blending. Thanks to DeepMind's optimized inference engine, edits are processed in just 0.8 seconds, while achieving a record-breaking 15% boost in image editing quality. Available in Google Gemini, Google AI Studio, and apps like Imagen, it's a fast, professional-grade tool for social media, design, or creative fun, without the usual complexity. What makes it so good? Nano Banana isn't just another AI tool. It's designed to make editing faster, easier, and more accurate for everyone. Whether it's a small tweak or a full transformation, it delivers high-quality results with minimal effort. It understands natural language perfectly, so you can type simple prompts like, "Make the girl wear a yellow raincoat and add a thunderstorm background," and it knows exactly what to do. Another standout feature is character consistency. Faces and people stay the same across edits, even with changes in outfits, hairstyles, or backgrounds, making it ideal for product shots, storytelling, and digital avatars. One of the coolest features is how it blends multiple images together like it's no big deal. Let's say you have 2 people from different photos and you want them to appear in the same scene. It can place them together naturally, adjusting the lighting and angles so it all fits. It doesn't look pasted or fake, which is a huge win if you're making posters, mood boards, or creative thumbnails. Also, it's fully integrated into Google Gemini, Google's AI assistant. That means you don't need a separate app or platform to access it. It's already available in tools like Google AI Studio, and even in apps like Imagen on iPhone and Mac. You just open it,
upload your image, type what you want, and get results instantly. For casual users, there's even a free version, though some features come with watermarks unless you upgrade to the paid plan. Another reason Nano Banana stands out is how fast it is. Most edits finish in less than a second, about 0.8 seconds to be exact. That speed isn't just impressive, it's practical. Instead of waiting for a render or dealing with lag, you get real-time results. It's quick enough for live demos, real-time content creation, or just saving time when working on bulk edits. Lastly, the quality of the edits is next level. We're talking about smooth blending, natural textures, accurate lighting, and sharp details. It doesn't just slap a filter on your photo, it understands how things should look together. You can change clothing textures, lighting moods, environments, and even blend artistic styles without losing quality. The final image looks clean and professionally done, all without actually touching a design tool. All these features combined make Nano Banana not just good, but one of the most useful and beginner-friendly editing tools available right now. Let's look into 5 killer prompts and what kind of outputs we might get. The first prompt blends public figure Sam Altman, branded clothing, and an athletic pose into one image. Nano Banana swaps the outfit, adjusts the body posture, and merges everything realistically. The outcome looks like Sam Altman is actually performing gymnastics in an OpenAI shirt. Using the second prompt, a running photo is upgraded into a full Nike-style ad. Nano Banana adds bold text, a catchy slogan, and the brand logo. The result is a professional-looking commercial in seconds. The third prompt blends up to 13 images into a single image. As you can see, this output displays a perfect fusion of all 13 visuals into one beautiful composition. In the fourth prompt, stick figures are turned into anime battle scenes. Nano Banana takes simple stick figure sketches, interprets their poses, and transforms them into fully detailed anime-style fight sequences with dynamic backgrounds and effects. The fifth prompt is used to obtain the isometric model of the tower only. With features like this, we can remove the background of almost any image. How fast are we talking? Most image edits happen in under a second. Like less than a full breath. It's around 0.8 seconds on average. That's crazy fast, especially when you think about the kind of stuff it's doing, editing lighting, colors, people, textures, all in one go. Ever tried to do that manually in Photoshop? That can take hours. What about cost? Using it inside Gemini or through apps might be free with limits. But if you want to use the full version through the API, it costs about 4 cents per image. Pretty decent for what it does, especially if you're using it for work or business. Are there any downsides? Nano Banana isn't perfect. Edits on celebrity photos are usually blocked due to legal reasons, and text rendering, like labels or signs, can be a bit hit or miss without clear prompts. Also, if you keep editing the same image too many times, the quality might drop slightly with minor artifacts or blur. Best to keep things simple and direct for the cleanest results. Nano Banana nails the details with features like character consistency, scene blending, multi-turn editing, and design mixing, all designed to make edits look natural and connected. You can change outfits, environments, or even textures without losing realism or breaking the image. From glass sneakers to marble deserts, it's all just one prompt away. Ever tried any AI image editing tools before? How was your experience? Some tools are clunky, right? They mess up faces or forget what you asked halfway through. Nano Banana seems to skip most of that drama. If you've tested it out already, or thinking about it, drop a comment and let others know what worked for you. So yeah, Nano Banana isn't just another random AI name. It's actually a powerful tool that makes editing way easier for everyone. Whether you're a designer, a content creator, or just someone who wants to mess around with cool images, and you don't need to spend hours learning it. Just open it up, type what you want, and let the magic happen. With a few solid prompts and a little creativity, you can do some amazing stuff. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.